So I went to the thrift store today because I wanted to make an Easter little setting, and I found this for $2. My husband thought it was not too great and he would have just walked past it, but I said, just wait until you see what I do with it. So I did put the foam in there, and then I thought I would put this cute rabbit that I got from Hobby Lobby. No, actually, it was TJ Maxx. And so I'm going to try to make a little centerpiece with flowers around that for our spring. Next, I got this reindeer moss from the Dollar Tree, believe it or not. And it took one bag to put around the edges of the styrofoam. And now I have my selections of flowers and greenery that I'm going to now start adding to see what we can create. So I'm beginning the decorating. I put it on a Lazy Susan so that I can switch around to see the front and the back. So from Ramon has taught us all that what you put on the left, you put on the right in the same place. And then this rabbit is a little tall, so I'm just going to put a low one here and turn it around and put another one low back here. I'm leaving the bunny there just so I know where not to put the plants. So just remember the rule: if you put one on one side, you go to opposite side in the same place. And I'm trying not to have it really high, just in case I put this on the table. And so we just keep filling in, and I'll be right back. Well, I finished filling in this basket with a bunch of flowers. And so it went from a $2 container to a nice Easter decoration for the house. I hope you liked it.